In the northeastern corner of Brazil lies a landscape so surreal it seems plucked from a dream. This is not a desert, though it may appear so. Welcome to Lençóis Maranhenses National Park. A vast expanse of rolling, snow-white sand dunes, sculpted by the wind. But what makes this place truly unique is a paradox of nature. For half the year, during the rainy season, the valleys between these giant dunes fill with crystal-clear fresh water. They form thousands of temporary lagoons, shimmering in brilliant shades of turquoise and emerald. An oasis born from the sky, teeming with life that appears as if from nowhere. Reaching this remote paradise is an adventure in itself. A rugged journey by 4x4 from the town of Maranhão, crossing rivers on rustic barges. With every bump and turn, civilization fades and the sheer scale of the dunes begins to unfold. It's a pilgrimage for those who seek the untouched corners of our planet. To walk these dunes is to feel humbled by nature's artistry. The sand, soft as powder underfoot. The horizon, an endless wave of white. And then, the reward. Plunging into the cool, refreshing water of a hidden lagoon. Floating in silence, with nothing but the sky above and the sculpted sand all around. It's a moment of pure, unadulterated tranquility. Lençóis Maranhenses is a fleeting masterpiece, changing with the seasons, the wind, and the rain. A reminder that the most breathtaking landscapes are often the most ephemeral. A sea of sand and an ocean of rainwater, a true wonder of the world.